Olive greets us with a welcome message, which explains what is Olive, the current version, and a link to its website. Let's close the window and start exploring. So, if you are familiar with some of the other video editing softwares like Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro, it should not take long to understand Olive. Let's take a look at the UI before starting to edit videos. At the top corner, we have the common options like File, Edit, Playback, etc. Just below that, we have a button that lets us create a project, sequence or folder. We also have options to open a project and save the project. Next, we have a search box where we can search the names of the media that we have imported. Next to that, we have options to toggle the view between tree, icon, and list views. The second window is where we can edit the size, rotation, and opacity of the videos. The third window is for editing the keyframes. We'll cover that in the later part of the video. In the left below here, we have the tools using which we can edit the videos. This is the timeline in which we edit the videos.